Allset, a Tesla-approved exclusive customization and collision center in Florida, has tested window glass of the Cybertruck again. This time they show us how tough it can be to escape from Cybertruck if it's powerless, jammed, or submerged underwater with pressure holding the door shut. By the looks of it, it's not at all hard to break the window from inside. Allset shows us with a hammer one can easily break the window glass with multiple blows. Once the glass is almost broken, one just need to kick the glass out with the legs and the passengers can get out in emergency situations. Now imagine if your petite wife or girlfriend is stuck inside the truck and the door is not opening. In those scenarios, it can be really hard to break the glass, as you can see the person is putting a lot of pressure to break the glass even with a glass breaking hammer.